is a one-arm cable reach and row. So I'm gonna set up with the cable at chest height. The side that I'm rowing on, I'm gonna get the same leg slightly back, but most of my weight on this front leg for stability. I'm gonna get my other arm up to match the first one with thumbs up. From there, I'm gonna row, thinking about tuck my elbow into the pocket, and I'm gonna reach with my other hand and turn the whole body as I come across. Then I'm gonna let this arm go and let the weight draw me a little bit towards the anchor point as my other arm mimics a row. I'm gonna row again. My unweighted arm's gonna reach as I go, drawing shoulder back and down, rotating from more or less the whole body. Reach and row. So both arms are moving in opposition, only one arm has the weight. And then of course, I would switch sides. So a couple keys here. One is as I row, I wanna make sure I'm tucking my elbow in towards my torso, shoulder blade slightly down and back, so I'm not up by my neck and my elbow's not flaring out and up. From there, as my arm comes even with the body, everything turns together. What I often see is there's no body turn, and so we end up kind of stuck here, where again, I'm getting into my neck, front of the shoulder. So I'm trying to draw my shoulder blade and then turn where my hips are turning. So if I had a belt buckle, it's now facing out. My chest is turning, my sternum, even my head and neck. And then I go the other way. Not gonna be as much turn here, but now all of those things are slightly facing away from the camera. And then I pull again. Most of my weight's on the front leg, because if I sit back, that can bug the knee, or if I'm more 50-50, that can limit my fluidity here. But I wanna imagine this as a nice, controlled fluid motion, not usually going for as much weight as you can do, but trying to get a nice stretch here, open up the shoulder blade, you just take a deep breath, and then I pull, tuck in, and turn. On each repetition, make sure you're not shrugging up, and kind of hit these checkpoints as my whole body turned. Am I nice relaxed in the shoulder here, not shrugged up, drawing back a bit, and then I'm gonna go the other way. So this should feel maybe like some work, but also like a nice mobility exercise, almost like a weighted mobility exercise as we pull through. And then once you get comfortable, then we can increase the load on.